Welcome to Market Profile Academy. This is Reza and this is the market recap for June the 11th. The last time we talked about the Euro-US pair, I stated that under no circumstances we should break below 1.3557, which was the value area low of the session where we got the big reversal from down to up after the announcement that the Central Bank of Europe was turning their rates into negative. And I said that if we were going to break that level, chances were extremely high that we were going to come down and delete the leg that was below the lower value area of this session here. And that's exactly what we did. Now we are at a very, very important and critical point. And the critical point is that if we do break below the 1.35, we should literally see a cascade on the downside, which could become very violent, very sharp, very fast. And the unwind on the downside could lead us first towards 1.34, which is really the first level of support, and after that 1.33. So 1.35 is now extreme level of support. However, couple of things are happening here. As we are approaching 1.35, we see that the range of every profile down here is starting to shrink, and there is not much of a trade facilitation to the downside, nor I do not see long liquidation kicking in where I can see a lot of distressed longs bailing out. Therefore, the fact that we are consolidating right around the 1.35 could make up the case that there is a bit of support building up here. That's number one. Number two, if we do break 1.35, we must, with a big must, see a fast and furious drop down. If the break of 1.35 happens and we start to see hesitation after that level is broken, it means the break to the downside cannot be trusted, and most likely it is going to be a fake break which will trap a whole bunch of people selling the breakdown and then come back up reverse and trap them on the short side. So be reminded, if anytime a break below 1.35 happens, we need to see a deluge of selling. If this doesn't happen, it's going to be a fake break and that level will hold, and we're going to see a strong reversal to the upside due to the fact that shorts are going to be cut and a bear trap will be in place. As long as we remain above 1.35, if we do manage to break above 1.3560, which is the high of this current profile, then there is a bullish case that could be built up, and our first upside objective should be 1.3603, and once we clear the 1.3603, then it is wide open to come towards 1.3639. So to make a long story short, you are now looking at a bracket. A bracket break to the downside of 1.35 and a bracket trade to the upside above 1.356. So whichever side breaks first, that's where the direction should be. Above 1.356 should lead us towards 1.3603. a break below 1.35, depending of how we break it, then should become quite aggressive to the downside if there is follow through upon the break of 1.35. As usual, thank you for listening and talk to you next time.